Hey guys, welcome to another video. We're at a nice sunny Arroyo Grande Cars and Coffee. So we're going to wander around and we will see if there's any new stuff here. I've seen a few cars that I've never seen before, so let's take a look. We're in the El Camino today. So just thought I'd bring it up for a drive. Only had it a couple of weeks, but I thought I'd just bring it up here. There's a few more up in the show here, and we'll take a look at those. They're a lot nicer than mine, but they're probably 3 times the price. So anyway, enjoy. Okay, here we got a 69 SS Chevelle. This one's really nice condition. Really spectacular paint job. These are good looking cars, these. Yeah, spectacular car.
The one CBS had.
They got beat to hell in their day through working, but nice straight 6 motor, in really nice shape, nice colour too, looks like a British racing green. I think I've seen this one around town, but not actually at the show, but it's in good shape.
Again, I go to bed. Yeah, I was talking about 9 o'clock.
Okay, we got an El Camino here. There's a few here today, so what I'm trying to do is compare to the one I've got to the ones other people have got and see, just how mine kind of stands up to theirs. This one is an unusual colour, but nicely done. Nice motor in that one, that's what makes the difference, see. That one's really clean. I think this one's a 64. So they've took a lot of the chrome moulding off. Like this here would have had chrome, and they've kind of stripped it all back. I kind of like the chrome myself.
I can do that before.
Okay, now this one is a 65, the same as mine. So I saw this one earlier. This one is really nice. This one has all the chrome, all the emblems, super nice clean motor, nice paint job. I mean, the whole car is like really nicely done. So where all the chrome was missing, the chrome trim on that other one, this one has all the chrome trim, same as mine. Mine's in good shape, but this one is like, oh boy, this one's the next level. Really nice nicely done. The dash is original in this. This is the 4-speed. The dash is original. Mine's been painted at some time. So this one is obviously a lot better car. Okay, we've got a Chevy Nomad here. It's a 2-door, beautiful paint job. Just done right, nice stance, nice wheels. Wow, what a car. Beautiful. It's probably always been a California car because it's got the yellow plates on it. Okay, we've got a Chevy here. This one's, I like the sign in the window that says, yes, it's cool, no, I'm not going to paint it. I wouldn't need it because it's pretty cool the way it is. So, I don't know what road it's got on it, but it's got hand tyres on it. The size of those tires. A good looking truck, nice stance to it. Got a few trucks here today. Some more Chevys, a 310 there. That's really nice, that one. The blue one. Wow, so clean. These are great looking trucks. Look at the bed in that. Wow. It's even got like a little panel that lifts up in the middle so you can see the axle and all that. Really nicely done. This one, the white and like turquoisey one here. Let's check, see if they got a price in the window here. They don't. Just the phone number, no price. like a row of Chevys. Another nice one here. Just a long bed. And then we have another one here. Fleet side. They're nice trunks. Love the front on these. They're so cool looking. Again, another nice wood bed. Okay, we got a BMW 3.0 CS here. This is the one to have. This is a gorgeous car, this one. Really, really nice. Beautiful, beautiful design.
Started.
How you doing? Good. Glad to see you're back. Yeah.
Don't think that's the original motor, but hey, barely fits in there. Beautiful car.
Morning. How you doing? Good, sir. How are you?
We got a 79 Honda CX here.
He saw one that was kind of modified.
Or CBX. Wow.
Like this.
You don't see many of
Also
these.
modified.
Stunning bike.
It was on Facebook.
Stunning bike.
Oh, yeah? How much did he